What if I can't jump here now? I just scatter for ground like moi for ground pieces. Eh? If I can't survive now, I can't turn to cripple man. How I won't take the womanize? If I turn cripple now, how I won't take carry big nyash? God. Eh? Make I do.
Help me! Help me! If they carry me, they go where I don't know. Help me!
I greet you, great one.
You are welcome, my son. What can I do for you, my son?
Oh, Baba, I have suffered a lot. I don't even know if it is my name, Jabez, where they cause this suffer for me.
Chai!
Because I dey hear say the Jabez in suffer well for Bible. I no just know.
Ha. You are welcome, my son. You are the right place. This is the final bus stop.
My own suffer too much. Me now, they don't see me finish for my area. I pour the place where they buy something. The woman see me from far. She begin measure 1 cup of garri for me.
Oh my God!
Just asking wetin I wan buy. They don't really see me finish for this life, Baba, because I pour. Last time we dey do family meeting, only for me to talk, they say I dey bring confusion. I never even talk. Because na me pour pass for family, they come say make I use my mouth. They open drink for everybody because they don't lost opener. Baba, I don't suffer. I no even know if na because of that time where I dey small, all this offering money wey I use buy biscuits, na I make my life dey like this. Or na because of all this message wey they go say forward to 7 people. I no know if na because I no forward my message to 7 people, na he make my life dey like this, Baba. I need solution. I want to hammer.
That's a little problem. I've done money rituals for almost all the rich men in Nigeria.
Sorry to cut you, Baba. The thing now be say I no wan work. I just want dey rich pass everybody for this world. I want hammer money. I just want to hammer millions of dollars, Baba.
Wetin you dey talk now be say you wan get money. You no wan hustle as other boys dey take dey hustle, abi?
I no wan work. I just wan dey for my house. Money go dey fall from my roof, Baba. And the ritual, I get my brothers and sisters. Anyone wey you want, I go bring do this ritual, Baba.
This is a small something. Nothing is too hard for Amadioha to do. If I tell you wetin to do, you go do am.
Baba, anything wey you say make I do, I go do. I can bring all my people if you want them. I get my people. I will bring my people for you. I know my brothers and sisters, my parents. I will bring them. I can do anything, Baba. Tell me anything, I will do it, Baba.
Wetin Amadioha say make I tell you be say you go find any factory building wey dey near you, climb am, from there jump.
But that one too much. Now what if I die now?
When you survive am, then you go come.
Baba, this sacrifice too much now. See, they tell me the things if I dey even fear. Baba, this sacrifice too much now. Get no other things where if you tell me.
When you dey come, you go carry big Ghana must go come. When I invoke money for you, the money go full $100 billion. After I don do this sacrifice for you, you see so you come get money pass Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Dangote dem. In fact, you will be one of the richest man in the world. In fact, you go see money, you go faint.
I'm a man, great one. I will do it. Thank you very much.
Trouble from left to right. I got the bezon. You want wallow from fire pan to fire.
Oh man, nah, yeah, this place too high, yo. Joy! What if I can't jump here now? I just scatter for ground like moi for ground pieces. If I can't survive now, I can't turn to cripple man. How I won't take the womanize? If I turn cripple now, how I won't take carry big nyash? God.
You be mumu.
I come shrine to sacrifice my brothers and sisters.
You are a
This must
mumu.
make I jump from 5-story building.
You think say you dey wise?
For this Nigeria self, even if you dey cripple, if you get money, woman go follow you. if I creep and I get this money, no, e no be bad something. Make I do. Over
1 month later. I got the peso. You want one low from frying pan to fire.
Great one, oh. Great one. Who dey inside here? I don't come, oh.
Oga, who you dey find?
I dey find the man wey get this shrine. That one, I dey find the man wey get this shrine.
That one wey fair come slim.
Exactly. Na him be that.
Ha! You never hear? That person wey him 015 come arrest her yesterday now.
Her person wey him dey owe 1,005. Jesus! I don't understand. That man do ritual for me now wey I suppose get 100 billion wey I come here, I come carry now.
Who could ritual for you?
What am I trying to say?
The man no sabi any work. The man no learn work finish sef from you, oga.
Photo.
Chai God.
Not be juju be that.
Make you be say na joke you dey joke oh. This no be April Fool. No dey joke with me now. Which time you say the man no learn work? Which time make you no be say I don enter from frying pan to fire oh.
Him just rush open him own shrine because him bin dey drag him former oga girlfriend.
Because this man come tell me say if I climb a 5-story building from there I jump, I go stay money go, I go just hammer.
Photo.
You see now I dey
juju
with
be that.
I don cripple. This man for leave me the way I been carry come. Make you know this my matter don worse. I been get leg wey I use come here before. As I cripple like this now, how I want to do doggy style now? What? Nah, yeah, which kind thing be this now? At least before na only pour wey I pour. Once I go dey carry big nyash. But now how I want to carry big nyash again? How I want to carry big nyash again now? Chai God! Hey!